Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest tips for living a healthy lifestyle. Today we have an amazing topic to discuss that will surely make your taste buds tingle and your body thank you. We're diving into the incredible benefits of adding avocados to your diet. So grab a seat because you're about to discover why this green superfood deserves a special place on your plate. Avocados have gained tremendous popularity in recent years and for good reason. Not only are they incredibly delicious, but they also pack a punch when it comes to nutritional values. Let's start by uncovering their heart-healthy secrets. Contrary to popular belief, avocados are rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats. These fats have been shown to reduce bad cholesterol levels, thus promoting heart health. Incorporating avocados into your diet, you're giving a ticket to your natural boost. But that's not all. Avocados also work wonders for your skin. Their high content of vitamins E and C, along with healthy fats, help nourish and hydrate your skin from within. It's like a natural beauty treatment from the inside out. Now let's talk fitness. Avocados are an excellent source of potassium, a mineral essential in muscle recovery and in function. Whether you're an athlete or simply enjoy staying active, adding avocados to your diet can support your overall physical performance. One of the reasons avocados are so versatile is their ability to enhance the nutrient absorption of other foods. Research suggests that the healthy fats found in avocados can help your body better absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. So don't hesitate to pair your avocados with other nutrient-rich foods for maximum benefits. Speaking of pairings, avocados are the perfect companion for a balanced diet. Not only do they add creamy and indulgent texture to meals, but they also provide fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes the feeling of fullness. In today's fast-paced world, where stress and anxiety can sometimes get the best of us, avocados come to the rescue once again. They contain B vitamins, such as folate, which are known to support brain health and reduce the symptoms of depression. And here's something that will make all the parents out there happy. Avocados not only nutritious for adults but also for children. They provide a wide array of essential vitamins and minerals that support healthy growth and development. Now that we've covered the fantastic benefits of avocados, let's get into the fun part, incorporating them into our meals. From classic avocado toast to refreshing salads, smoothies, and even chocolate mousse, the possibilities are endless. And guess what? We'll be sharing some of our favorite avocado recipes in the upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button. That's a wrap on today's video, my fellow health enthusiasts. We hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible benefits of adding avocados to your diet. So next time you are at the grocery store, don't forget to grab some of those green gems and start reaping the rewards for your health and well-being. As always, remember to eat well, stay active, and nourish your body with love. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.